the bathroom is probably the one room in the house that we like to clean the least, right? Well, don't worry. With AspenClean, you can get it done in a few simple steps. Now we move on to the tub. Cleaning your tub regularly will help to reduce grime and buildup. To clean the tub, spray the cleaner liberally into the tub itself, and don't forget the sides where mildew collects. For tough stains, spray the area with the cleaner, then add some scrub powder. Let it sit for up to 30 minutes, then give it a good scrub. Finally, make sure you rinse the area really well. Now you may need to repeat this step if you have lots of buildup. Next, we move on to the floors. If you have tiles, then spray the floor cleaner directly onto the floor. Then use the microfiber mop. It will remove dust, dirt, oils, grease, scuff marks, and even bacteria. For mirrors, use the glass cleaner with the glass cloth. No streaks here. Final step, use a dry cloth to remove any watermarks and make your bathroom sparkle. Well, there you have it. A few simple steps to get your bathroom sparkling naturally with AspenClean.